It was me this time.
Yeah, it was. A big stack into the side of a mountain, probably.
This was the new Mavic Pro 2. And we're in Slovenia at the moment.
Trying to find our crashed drone. At least we have a location. But that doesn't mean we're going to find it. But look at the forest down there.
Well, we're about to be in there. Marty said, watch out for the trees. And I was like, yeah, I'm really high, but
Not high
mountains are also high.
enough. And there's trees on mountains.
I know. So Marty has exported the GPS from the controller
And we're using Google Maps, not Apple Maps this time.
using Google Maps. And he's put the exact coordinates in there, as you can see. And we are now walking towards that location.
Halfway there.
And hopefully we can find the drone, because we have the DJI Care Refresh, which means they'll replace a crashed drone, but
Got to find it.
you need the old one first. So we're going to be bush bashing.
Potentially climbing a tree.
Hopefully
This is
there's
an
no bunyips
absolutely
here.
Stunningly beautiful spot, man. I've never seen anything like it.
Looks a little bit like New Zealand. A nice place to lose a
The
drone.
air is nice and thin, you're noticing as well. It's just a little bit harder to walk up here than it would otherwise be.
A little bit too thin for a drone to stay in the air, Martin. That is amazing. 100 metres to go.
I think we might be able to find it, man, if it's like this. A bit more sketchy.
So we are drone hunting, people. Drone hunting.
Should be straight down there if it is in fact where the GPS says it is. Straight down towards the water.
Man, this is steep.
It is sketchy and mossy and wet.
We are heading in.
Mobile reception though, and we have GPS. So
And we told someone where we were going and gave them a copy of the map. Are we going in the right direction?
Yeah, man, we're almost halfway there. So it's
Okay.
not that far. Because we've got so much coverage above us, the GPS is a bit sketchy, so we actually went on top of it, and now it's saying we're a long way from it. But if we track this way,
This way, parallel.
we should see it, hopefully. If it's made it out of the canopy, that's the problem.
Yeah, there's a good chance it's actually up in a tree, but we can give it a shake.
Dude! Ah!
Ah!
It's here!
It's beeping! Yes! 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 Oh, yes!
Oh, it's not even broken.
Oh my
that bad.
God!
It's not even that broken. I'm going to turn
Yes!
it off, eh?
People, we've got our drone. Well done. Hey, Martin, I want to say something. I'm going to give you a cuddle. Do you know why? A, because that was about $3,000. B, because we used Google Maps to find it.
Oh, dude, and you know what? It's going to fly again. It's not actually that
I mean,
trashed.
we've got props
Props, that's it. Look, that's the only damage is a prop.
that we know of so far.
Well, unless the gimbal's trash, but it looks okay, man.
Wow.
Lucky you didn't take the plastic off. Yay!
Well, everybody,
Let's
that is drone hunting in Slovenia. I know this is not the kind of video that you normally see
Or
on
wanted
the
to
Mighty
see.
Car Mods channel,
Or wanted to see.
but
We've got to get the card off
We've
and
got-
see the
we-
crash.
yes, we do. We do.
I hope it's on there because you said card full, didn't it?
It said something like that.
Road's that way, right?
Amazing. Let's get our way. Let's find our way out. Back up there, man.
Just a bit where we get lost leaving.
I know this is not the kind of video that you normally see on the Mighty Car Mods channel, but considering we found it,
And
it was too
considering-
good not to share.
And considering the last thing you guys saw was me, well, mostly me, crashing drones, and now it was you.
It was me. It was me. But, well, I guess there you go. There's a bit of a spoiler that there's going to be some Mighty Car Mods in Slovenia coming up soon. But there it is. We're going to make our way out of the forest.
Hopefully.
And, man, we got a long way to go up there. That is steep.
How lucky is this?
That is amazing. All right, we are getting some new props on. There we go.
Check out the old one, look at this. Just split. Not a big hit, dude. It had a big hit. Where's your controller? You know, it'd be pretty funny if it thought that its home point was where we stacked it, and then it returned to the bush. It's a good day.
Well, there it is. Excellent.